Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 BMW CE04 Premium. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 347 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This vehicle has an owner's manual, one key, and one fob. It's stock with a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.